increasingly litigation is all about the documents you have and the documents you don't have. So a good record-keeping system and a good way of archiving those records allows you to be sure of what you've got and sure of what you don't have. Google Apps Vault allows you to easily have a dashboard that lets you have visibility into all the relevant documents that might be in a case, pull them together, assess the case quickly, figure out how you should approach it, and be able to respond to the demands from the other side.
One of the things that makes Vault interesting is the fact that it integrates so seamlessly with the Google platform. So companies that are within a Google environment can count on this type of a discovery solution evolving as the Google platform evolves.
A legal hold, sometimes called a litigation hold, is something that comes into play when you have been sued or you think you're going to be sued. It's a requirement that you hold on to documents that might be relevant to the claims against you. And most of those documents these days are in electronic form.
There are a number of different reasons why businesses may not have been able to deploy e-discovery solutions. Oftentimes it might be the perception of cost, or it might be the thought that, as a business we're too small. I mean, we can't do this.
Small businesses in America face all kinds of lawsuits, ranging from standard commercial disputes to torts, that's injuries or slip and falls, to employee wrongful termination actions and other kinds of employee disputes. E-discovery can include the collection of documents. In many cases, that's very expensive, especially if you have those documents scattered across your organization. It also involves the review of those documents once you've collected them. And given that many lawyers are making hundreds of dollars an hour, that review of thousands, in some cases millions of documents, can be extraordinarily expensive. By centralizing all of that into the cloud, it's a much more consistent approach, it's much easier to find the documents, and it's much easier to apply consistent policies against all of them.
Vault ends up making the job of a knowledge strategist, knowledge management, or similar type of roles within different organizations, whether it's records management, retention, archiving, etc. It makes the job easier in the same way that the apps environment makes a lot of the knowledge strategy environment easier. An example being that with Vault, the integration potential with the apps platform, the ability to be able to search, bring forward information in an extremely seamless fashion. Everything that is within the apps environment, all the different aspects of the platform that a lot of the businesses will be looking at. As it evolves, the Vault platform actually evolves with it, integrates with it.
It's really designed from the ground up to facilitate the use of Google Apps, not just for the running of your business, but for running of your business in the midst of litigation and all the challenges that that creates.
Since it syncs well with the Google platform, then you can actually look at, I have my business solutions, I have my discovery solutions, and now the two can really roll hand in hand.
Keeping your records in the cloud is just better, cheaper, and simpler.